command them to do good, to be rich in good deeds, and to be generous and willing to share. 1 Timothy chapter 6 verses 18. Hello family, today I'd like to share with you my very easy and saucy beef and cabbage stew that you are going to love. It is super easy on the pocket as well. And this can well pair with anything that comes in mind as well. Let's not talk further. Let's go right in the kitchen and let's whip this off real quick. Let's get started. As you can see, a few ingredients are needed here. I'm going to list each and every one of them right below in the description box. Alright, it's the recipe that requires you to cut and chop all your ingredients, almost all of them. You do not need blender at all here. So I'm going to start off with the onions and then the tomatoes, and then comes the carrots and our cabbage. Alright, enjoy the process. Done with almost everything, we are left with just the cabbage. And for the cabbage, to chop it can be quite tasky. I figured it out to make it quite easier, and this is how I like to cut it into 4 equal parts. This way it's easier to work with it. You can use your knife, it goes so well. For even faster results, you can use your potato peeler or your cheese grater. It is so fast and it works amazingly well, and I really loved the sizes that I was able to chop them into. Very thin and so beautiful. So I seasoned it with a bit of salt and added a bit of warm water to it, allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before I work with it. We all know that cabbage comes with this foul smell. This is going to help release all that smell that we don't want. Okay, and let's begin with the stew process right now. So in my pot, I'm going to add in some cooking olive oil. I'll first off fry some beef. If you do not want beef, you can definitely omit this part. Okay, so go ahead and fry your beef until they are caramelized and brown like this. Beautiful. This is one of my weaknesses, y'all. It's so tasty. So now our beautifully finely chopped onions went in. You want it to caramelize and fry for about 3 minutes, and then introduce the tomato paste. I used about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, not too much. Okay, I'll allow that to fry, and while at it, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of curry powder and just make sure it fries in that beautiful oil for about 3 minutes, and then introduce my crushed garlic, ginger, and some peppers as well. Divide my beef stock, and I'm going to allow this to fry together with the beef stock for about 5 to 6 minutes. So once it fries, I'll then go ahead and add my freshly chopped tomatoes. I will also add the remaining beef stock. Make sure everything is well incorporated, and I'll go in with my wele or pomo as well. This is optional, but I love it in there. I just want it to be super soft. That's why I'm adding it at this point. I'll then add some bay leaves just so that it releases all that flavor that it has to offer. So I'm going to cover it for the next 10 minutes for it to slowly cook, and we will have all those flavors coming up together so well. And at this point is a fine time for me to add the remaining seasoning. I add some all-purpose seasoning and the rest of the curry powder, and there goes in my carrots. Add my cabbage and make sure everything is well combined beautifully. So right now I like to cover it and allow it to simmer for just about 3 minutes. I don't want the cabbage and the carrot to lose their crunch, so do not overcook it, okay, when you're using the same recipe. All right, I'll cover it and then go ahead and prep for the side that I'll be serving this with. We'll be going with ampesi, that is the yam and some boiled ripe plantain. I love that so 3 minutes has just went by. Absolutely delicious. Everything looks so good. It is so important not to overcook this. Very important. All right, so it's now time for me to finally add my beef and then add a little bit of spring onions for that glamour look. Listen, this is so delicious. So all that we have to do is allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and we should be done. All right, this goes so well with any type of rice, white rice, yellow rice, even your jollof. Just put a little bit there and you're going to love this. I love it with some ampesi as well, you know. Some hot boiled ripe plantain is my favorite with this. It's so delicious. Do not forget your avocados while serving it, okay? You're going to enjoy it so much. I sometimes have it with some bangkong as well. With this, anything goes. I do not have to talk much. You need to experience this for yourself and you are going to absolutely love it. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I'm really thankful for your love and support. Please be sure to give me a like, share it with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.